has been broadcasted at the request of the Philippine government. Residents and tourists of Puerto Princesa City, this is an urgent warning from your local authorities. In light of multiple disappearances, mutilations, and sightings of an unknown and potentially dangerous entity, we are placing the entire city on high alert. For everyone's safety and with the help of the National Police, we will implement a citywide curfew starting tonight, along with regular patrols. At exactly 9 p.m., we encourage all citizens, especially those with children under 10 years of age, to be inside their homes and avoid going out unless it's necessary and as long as they are not alone. Those going out alone and without a valid reason will face detention and will be escorted back home. This is for their own safety. If you or anyone of your family member encounter or spot a tall, emaciated entity that wears a red dress, or if anyone suspects unusual activity outside their premises at nighttime, lock yourselves indoors and immediately contact emergency services or local authorities. Last night, 5 children throughout Puerto Princesa City were lured out of their homes and had been abducted within minutes after 9 p.m. Their remains were later discovered inside an abandoned building near the San Jose National Highway. After multiple eyewitnesses claimed they saw the abducted children walking aimlessly, then disappearing off the highway. Despite not having any potential motives or suspects, majority of the eyewitnesses reports and some alleged footage submitted by residents claim that the abducted kids were being accompanied by a tall, disfigured and emaciated female humanoid entity wearing a blood-stained red dress. So far, all efforts to apprehend and stop the entity's abduction last night had been met with failure. As before the authorities arrived, the creature along with the abducted children had already long been disappeared. The creature seems to only target children who are under the age of 10 and has a high chance to appear again tonight, which is why we are discouraging everyone to initiate contact if encountered, since the creature is capable of inflicting physical, bodily harm and trauma. We've already contacted experts from the Department of Anomalies to deal with this entity. Again, we are urging all citizens in Puerto Princesa City to stay indoors and lock all possible entrances before 9 p.m. Keep a lookout for any sighting of the entity as well as any unusual and strange activity to local authorities. Good luck, and we will post further updates.